Hey you guys, Neophyte Reviews and News coming back at you with this week's review for She-Hulk Episode 5, titled Mean Green and Straight Up Poured Into These Jeans. As the episode begins, Jen is bombarded by She-Hulk by Titania branding and product placement everywhere she goes, including a commercial on the radio. Jen's cousin, Ched, barges into Jen's home unannounced, trying to get her to sign product so that he could sell them to support her business venture. Ched thinks that Jen let Titania trademark the name first, and then follows it up with a spiel about how trademarking works. After confronting Titania at an event, Jen tries to convince herself about not caring about the name, but based on her actions, it shows otherwise, and her paralegal and friend, Nikki, isn't convinced about it either in the slightest. Nikki and Pug get more screen time in this episode, and both actors play their parts incredibly and are hilarious. The pair go looking for a custom superhero costume designer that Pug's strip broker tells them about. After getting hassled to purchase Avengers merch and saying that their client is a top-tier Avenger, Pug and Nikki are able to get a consultation with the designer. Back at GLK&H, Holloway has Mallory Book take on the case to get the She-Hulk trademark back from Titania by countersuing. After a heated courtroom scene between Mallory, Titania, and her lawyer, the judge requires for Jen's side to produce more evidence of her accepting the She-Hulk name as her own, and contrary to what Titania's side has shown. After seeing the creepy guy that She-Hulk went on a date with, Jen remembered that she signed up to the dating app as She-Hulk, and that all of her dates could serve as witnesses even if it would be humiliating to her. The court finds favor and grants the win to Jen, and has Titania cease all uses of the name She-Hulk. After going out for drinks with Mallory to celebrate their win, Mallory reminds Jen about getting better clothes. While She-Hulk is trying on the suits that Luke, the designer, created for her, we get our first glimpse, and possibly the biggest reveal of this week, Daredevil's helmet. Thanks for taking time to listen to this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.